Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Figma for design systems and team libraries, beginner guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click the create account button. You may need to verify your email address to activate your account. Check your inbox for a verification email from Figma and follow the provided link. Now that your account is active, return to the Figma homepage and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the plan options available for Figma. Select the plan that best suits your needs. If you're looking for design systems and team libraries, consider the professional or organization plan. Click on the plan of your choice to proceed. Review the features included in the plan to ensure it meets your requirements. Once you're satisfied, click the Start Trial or Upgrade button as indicated. You may need to enter payment details if you're choosing a paid plan. After submitting your payment information, your subscription will be activated. To create a team library, navigate to the Team section on your dashboard. Click on Create a new team and give it a suitable name. Invite team members by entering their email addresses. Once your team is set up, you can start creating components and styles for your design system. To publish a library, go to the File menu and select Publish. Your team members will now have access to the design system you create. Congratulations, you are now set up with Figma for design systems and team libraries. Start designing and collaborating with your team effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.